Jule Pranav, Jule everyone.
July. This was my third visit to Leh Ladakh and my first visit as a family.
Hi, today I'm going to Leh Ladakh.
जब भी किसी का फर्स्ट टाइम होता है ले में, it definitely blows your mind. It will affect you.
Humbles you is because it is so ruthless. Miria, before the trip, what were you honestly expecting from Leh Ladakh?
Let your body at least get acclimatized.
When I mentioned Pangong, which was the most terrible part for you?
There was no terrible part, but it was just -5, and I'm just not as adventurous as Pranav. You know, at -5 degrees, एक shawl लेके Milky Way देख रहे हो.
People are really nice. They
Amazing
have
set of
Buddhism
people.
engraved in their DNA.
As a family, Ladakh 10 on 10.
Favorite food from the trip?
Please stop littering. Please stop overtaking. Please stop playing loud
And
music.
please stop calling them. Hello everyone, my name is Pranav Vashisht and this is Miria Chima, my wife. We keep on traveling, we are avid travelers, and thanks to our son, we enjoy it more because he loves traveling now. So, this is a vlog about Leh Ladakh. This was my third visit to Leh Ladakh and my first visit as a family. First visit for Miria and Navan. So, I had a decent idea about Leh Ladakh, but let's understand from Miria as a mother what she has to say about Leh Ladakh. Let's start from that.
Jule Pranav, Jule everyone.
July.
जब भी किसी का फर्स्ट टाइम होता है ले में, it definitely blows your mind. You are not prepared for how it will affect you.
Yeah.
You think, you see on Instagram, you see, so many books, you research online, and it's like okay, पहाड़ है, okay, कहीं संस्कार है, valley है, Indus River जा रही है, but it truly humbles you. And जब तक आप नहीं travel करते हो ले, you have no idea what you're missing out.
Like she mentioned, it humbles you is because it is so giant, it is so vulnerable, it is so ruthless. Dry wind, cold wind, sands, landslides, anything can happen. It makes you feel irrelevant, and the irrelevancy makes you feel humble. Anyways, let's get to more technical details so
Yes.
you can plan your next trip to Leh Ladakh. मिरिया, कैसे हम लेह लद्दाख तक पहुंचे? बिकॉज ये 2 साल से कॉन्टेम्पलेट हो रहा था. वी मेट आवर pediatrician also. Tell us about that.
So I was a bit skeptical about going to Leh because Pranav ने although पहले travel किया हुआ है, I've heard the stories which honestly did inspire me. But reading online and thinking that understanding AMS and understanding what can happen to your child, because you're an adult, तो आपको तब भी you can speak out that you are feeling uneasy or you're feeling dizzy, and these are the signs for AMS, that you have to closely monitor. बट बहुत छोटे बच्चे होते हैं, सो दैट्स व्हाट वाज आवर वरी, दैट हाउ व्हाट इज़ द राइट एज टू गो, व्हाट इज़ द राइट टाइम टू गो. So I think we were in talks with a pediatrician also, and he advised us that after kid is 3 years old, उसके बाद ही आप travel करिए to Leh.
So our trial trip for Leh Ladakh was Bhutan last year.
Yes.
We did our experiment in Bhutan to test out how Navan feels on mountains and hiking, because we did a hiking to Tiger's Nest. Miria, before the trip, what were you honestly expecting from Leh Ladakh? What was in your mind, because it was your first time?
I was expecting Leh to be scenic, yes, but I did not expect it to move me spiritually so much. I was expecting कि ठीक है, we'll have some Instagrammable photographs and there'll be some, those hotspots that are there, tourist hotspots. But I think what really moved me is the travel in Leh. जब हमने travel किया, we went to Nubra Valley and lot of these places. When you see the landscape, that is what truly humbles you, and that is what Navan also enjoyed the most.
He was out of the window most of the time.
Yeah, he really loved the way the whole scenery change हो रही है. There are like sandy mountains, and then there are rocky mountains, and there's a beautiful valley, river. I think it was just, the beauty was it was really serene.
So just to clarify, initially we had a plan कि हम लेह लद्दाख में सिर्फ लेह सिटी जाएंगे और उसके आसपास घूमेंगे सिर्फ, not to take much risk.
Yes.
So our trip evolved last minute, last week before the trip. We evolved it a bit. We added Nubra and Pangong, and some things got added while we were in Leh. हम आपको हेल्प कर सकते हैं better planning में. So मेरिया, अगर 5-6 दिन है किसी के पास लेह लद्दाख प्लान करने के लिए, what would you suggest them? 5 to 6 days.
I think as a family, like if you go travel with your kids, I mean, at least take 8 days or 10 days, या तो जितना मर्जी आपको ज़्यादा maximum, तो you can never get over Leh, trust me. And now I know the reason why Pranav has gone there for the third time, because one time is just not enough. More important thing about Leh is that do not do not exert yourself in Ladakh because the oxygen is less.
Out of 5 days, one is a rest day.
Yes, one is a completely rest
You should
day.
keep 2 days as a rest day, second day being experimental, first day being 100%
Absolutely.
rest. Let your kid watch all the television he wants to or she wants to.
And have
But
soup,
have full
relax.
rest, lot of water.
And let your body at least get acclimatized to the thinner air.
And one more
The
very important
elevation.
thing, we started using Dimox 48 hours before the trip, which is suggested by the doctor. So you should also take it after consulting your doctor and your child's
Yes.
doctor. 250 milligrams is dosage twice a day, which we took. 20 gram is for a child who is around 20-25 kgs. So हम नवान को वो दवाई तोड़ के उसका 1/20th हिस्सा 2 बार दिन में दे देते थे. So first day we went and our first day was full rest. Second day was around
Full
Leh.
rest. Full rest. We slept, we recovered, and we were just enjoying the scenery from a beautiful, beautiful room.
And day 2, tell me about day 2.
Day 2 हमने locally explore किया. We went to the local market. No hiking. I wouldn't suggest कि
We
आप
did,
first 48 hours में कोई भी hike करो.
There
That
are few
complete
good
rest.
things to do around the city, which are Sangam, Patthar Sahib, and Magnetic Hill, and that is what we did on the second day. The second day was just around the city, like maximum 1 hour away from Leh, so we can go back to the city if there's any problem with any of us. One thing also to add on is which we got to learn at the hotel, which was the Grand Dragon, one of the best hotels in Leh.
Absolutely.
Miria had it almost every day, which is the
Yes,
garlic
garlic
soup.
soup.
Very tasty, plus it helps your blood to thin down. So while you're thinning down your blood, it helps you in low oxygen to actually process.
Yeah.
Your body processes much
Yeah.
better. 5 to 6 days, let's give it a brief. First day rest, second day around the city. Third and fourth day, you can try Nubra and Pangong. Fifth day, you can do around the city or maybe go to Pugga Valley from Leh and do a return trip, and Leh to Somoriri also is a return trip. So last day can be left for these two things.
But I would suggest, since Leh to Somoriri, since we'll discuss now, it was a long journey, and maybe plan it towards the middle of your
middle
trip.
of the trip. So you have to
Or-
decide if you have 5 days, you either do Pangong or you do
Yes.
either do Somoriri.
Yes.
We did both of them, so it got slightly hectic. And
Yes.
I'd like to ask here, when I mentioned Pangong, which was in the trip, Miria, which was the most terrible part for you?
Terrible. There was no terrible part, apart from just.
She absolutely hated,
No,
loved,
no.
loved Pangong.
No. I like Pangong, but it was just -5, and I'm just not as adventurous as Pranav that I can, at -5 degrees, एक shawl लेके आगे आप Milky Way देख रहे हो. I don't know.
It's very fast winds in Pangong, so you have to be
Each to each
prepared
his
for
own,
it. It's not easy. Pangong is not easy, being such a big lake, one of the largest lakes. The wind flow is too high, temperature is too low. Hotels in Pangong, for all of your information, are not that good. Although we stayed at one of the best hotels, which is Misty Hills, but not that amazing. Okay,
but
okay.
it's
But
not
it
a
is
hotel. I think most of them are cottages.
Cottages,
So
it
just
is-
expect
so-
like a tin shed.
yeah.
You'll have all the facilities,
but not that
uh,
comfortable as a hotel.
yeah, if
These
you-
are sort of modern tents. But yeah, so after that, we'll discuss about the favorite place of Miria, which was Nubra.
Nubra Valley.
Let's discuss
Yes,
that.
yes.
Nubra आता है लेह से आप जाओगे नुब्रा खारदुंगला पास क्रॉस करके. That is how you reach Nubra, which has
Yes.
sand dunes. And our hotel, Miria, tell us about that, because that was amazing. That was just the best
Hotel
hotel.
was really nice, but I would like to add on to this at Khardungla Pass. Navan got a little unwell. He said that he wanted to sleep, and we could see that his oxygen, although it was manageable, but just as a precaution, हमने उसको oxygen cylinder दे दिया. This is where it matters as parents. You have to make sure that you are prepared for the worst case scenario. So I think taking in oxygen was a very good decision, Pranav, that
we
you
took it from
instead
the
of the
local
can.
city. We took a 2-liter oxygen cylinder.
Yeah.
And it really helped us
It
out
helped.
because Naman was feeling dizzy. Our oxygen was also around 80. So it's no harm, and it's foolishness to boast on that kuch nahi hoga. You have to be better prepared,
Better prepared.
because you
Yes.
can't take a risk.
Maybe you will not need to use
you
it,
can't
but
take a
just
risk at
better prepare.
17,000 feet.
क्योंकि वहाँ पे कुछ नहीं मिलता आपको. There's no
Yeah,
help.
कुछ नहीं
There's no
मिलेगा.
hospital there.
Correct.
And anytime you go to a valley or something, I've realized that you have to cross a pass.
Yeah.
There is no like a straight
There are no
road.
tunnels yet. There are some tunnels being made, but अभी
Yeah.
tunnel नहीं है, तो top pass से निकलना पड़ता है. And
But on the whole, Navan and me, we enjoyed.
Nubra was amazing.
Nubra.
We found one of the best hotels in Nubra, which is
Yes.
called the Kyagar. food, stay, room,
Absolutely.
locality,
So
40
good.
acres property, mind
And
blowing.
river along the
Like I've been to
property.
Leh 3 times, but I was mind blown by the Kyagar. We'll mention all that in caption. The
Yes.
Kyagar was the best stay.
Nubra is where you find that double hump camel,
Yeah.
which is very, very unique. It is a mountain desert, so that is something very unique. Navan got very excited to see the camel. So that's why I think with kids, I think it will be a good to-do list
So,
to add in
Maria, if
Ladakh.
someone today asks you, should I take my child to Ladakh, what would your answer be?
Yes, but not too small kids. I think at least more than 3 years old. Now I realize why our pediatrician also said that, because they can express better. They can tell you if they are not feeling well. They can tell you if they want to vomit. I mean, there are a lot of things. That is, the communication is something that is there, and they are easily, they can adjust to the cuisine also. It makes a difference. But yes, it is a must do. Your kids' horizon will open, that they're really, really loving it and they want to be outdoors,
Yeah.
they want to explore.
Just be better prepared, keep all the medicines, keep them
Yes.
hydrated, and always keep them keep on asking them how are they feeling. Let
Yes.
them
Are
comprehend.
you
So that is
okay?
why 4.5 to 5
Uh.
plus is a good age, because now they can tell you that I'm not feeling well, let's stop, those kind of things, which is very, very
Yes.
important. Miria, did Ladakh ever make you feel that there's something just beyond tourism?
I think it was also spiritual. It's not the not only just the Gurdwara Patthar Sahib Ji. It's also the place. It resonated of peace and a rawness that is just missing. That in the cities that we are living in,
And plus,
it's
the people are really nice.
oh,
Like
we had some
they
amazing
have
set of people
Buddhism
around us.
engraved in their DNA.
Yes.
They all are driver to the person we had for our shoots. They all were really nice people. They were even stopping some people from littering around. From if something is happening, they're very good at heart.
Oh, that is something which is
Ladakhi people are really good at heart. In complete 7 days trip, Miria, we'll break down all the 7 days and give you an itinerary towards the end. But in complete 7 days, Miria, which was the biggest wow moment for you, where you felt this is unreal and I am just at the place I wanted to be?
I think it was definitely Puga Valley.
Yeah.
It got the kid out of me. I mean, I felt one with nature, seeing the hot spring coming up, and the whole, how the valley is made, and there are like white mountains, there were horses, there were yaks. It was just nature, being in nature, and you just feel so small, like you are, you're like minuscule, and nature itself is so big.
So I feel Instagram पे ना लद्दाख को बहुत ज़्यादा glorify किया जाता है, which is very good, which is very right. Especially talking to parents, don't just go by what Instagram shows you about Leh Ladakh. Be better prepared. हम pulse और oximeter भी लेकर गए थे वहाँ पे कोविड टाइम का, to continuously check कि ऑक्सीजन कितना चल रहा है. You have to be prepared at that level. थर्मामीटर होना चाहिए. BP मशीन भी हम अपनी लेके गए थे. Might sound crazy, because we are crazy enough to take risk to go to Leh Ladakh. Be better prepared, otherwise you might regret later. So it is absolutely amazing, and I believe everyone should at least go once.
When we were packing our medicine bag, even I felt, oh, थोड़ा overwhelmed कि क्या हमें BP machine तक की ज़रूरत है. But it's just, now when I look back, we did not need to use our BP
Yeah.
machine, but we did use our oximeter. We did not use lot of medicine that we took, but we were always prepared. And when I am telling you, when I just mentioned about the Khardungla Pass, we actually noticed Navan's oxygen, getting low, rather than getting it to such a low level, which is like, dangerous for kids. So we noticed that, and we gave him the oxygen for like a minute or 2 minutes, and then we started to descend down, and he was perfectly okay. So I mean, it's just to be
It actually helped
and not
us
panic.
venture out more into places
Yes.
where we thought we will never be able to go. हम नुब्रा पेंगोंग पूरा एक्सप्लोर किया, सोमो रिरी तक गए. We did almost everything. So because we were better prepared. So वो थोड़ा सा अगर आप ध्यान रख लोगे ना, the trip will just be very peaceful.
As a family, Ladakh 10 on 10.
10 on 10.
But
You must go there, because
the whole
बच्चों को ना
rawness
वो nature आप यहाँ पे experience ही
नहीं
नहीं करा
करा
पाओगे. In the cities, we can
Even-
never show this to Navan.
Yes.
So, and across India, what landscapes Ladakh offers is unbeatable. Miria, was there any place that was beautiful but slightly overhyped?
Well, I think Pranav also knows my answer to this. Pangong Lake.
Pangong.
It was beautiful. The lake is beautiful. You can see the bottom stones also in the river, but it was so cold. It was windy. वो tin sheds में तो बस choice of people. I'm not saying
But
because
it is one of the most popular places big thanks to Three Idiots. अगर मेरा देखा जाए पेंगोंग नुब्रा सारी दुनिया पेंगोंग नुब्रा बोलती है. In our trip, which place, one place that Ladakh has and it deserves more attention than Pangong and Nubra would be? Definitely, I think Puga Valley.
Puga Valley and I think Nubra also. Uh,
Because these are popular area. So Puga Valley is something that people avoid. कि
yes.
people think कि Nubra और Pangong ही करना है. But if you can skip Pangong and maybe try for Puga Valley and Somoriri, you will be amazed.
Yes,
I think that would be a
Somoriri
better
and
decision.
Puga would be a better
Better option.
decision than following all the hype to Pangong because rasta bhi काफी jam रहता है because this traffic is increased tenfolds I think now.
Overall trip, Miria, how do you think Nawan was feeling? Was he enjoyed? Let's talk about how the trip was for Nawan. अभी तो हम parents' point of view से बात कर रहे हैं because he had a amazing time, I think.
Oh yeah, he used to be up at 6 a.m. in the morning and he would plan with us कि आज हम कहाँ जा रहे हैं, आज हम कहाँ जा रहे हैं. So it was nice and we used to tell him about the animals. He was especially excited to see the mermaids. He was very excited कि आज हम ये animal देखेंगे, आज हम camel देखेंगे, आज हम ibex देखेंगे. Although we didn't spot any ibex or snow leopard, but he was fully charged up for that. And I think he just loved the drive and the small cafes जहाँ पे hot chocolate मिलती है. Trust me, I think that was his fuel
Yeah.
for the whole trip.
Absolutely.
And what I've seen in Navan after this trip, his spirit of adventure, his
Yeah.
spirit of not being scared,
Throwing stones into the lake, jumping around.
like just being a kid,
Yeah, being
which is missing out here. The exposure is missing out here.
Our driver was also impressed. He said, "Sir, ये तो शेर लड़का है," because he was enjoying so much, which is something that kids feel, and हम ज़्यादा सोचते हैं, but बच्चों को मज़ा आता है.
Yes.
One more thing I would like to highlight, seeing Ladakh close enough, me seeing it for the third time, and even Miria noticed it this time. I think tourism is sort of spoiling it a bit in places because people are careless, throwing things around and feeding sweet biscuits to mermaid, which is the local squirrel, and they're dying because of that. So I think overall Ladakh is amazing. Buddhism is in place, but I think they need something to learn from Bhutan. Like for example, Bhutan stops giving entry after a certain number of people, which is not there in Ladakh. Any number of people can come in. Regulations around Ladakh should get stricter. Fines, there should be more fines
More
around
fines.
people littering and people feeding local animals like the Tibetan donkey or a marmot. It is wrong. So I think
And I
थोड़ा
think
सा वहाँ
overall
पर
the civic sense has to improve.
Yeah,
I think Indians are traveling so much, I think why
we're not
spoil
respecting the
whole-
places. We're not respecting
it
the
needs to
people
be
and
there.
places. Somewhere there is an ego that we have come to a place.
Yes.
People, we have also heard from the people local guide and the driver that we had that a lot of people who come and they also tell them that तुम Chinese हो. So it's disrespectful. Just bringing it up because we should actually help people understand that travel
Yeah.
also comes with respect and
respect and
responsibility.
responsibility.
So
Right.
that is there. That should be
Which
kept
is
in
missing
mind.
there.
Even with your kids, at times kids are not aware. They throw things around. We ask Nawan to bring it back
it up.
and put it in the dustbin. So it is parents' responsibility to get that done.
Yes.
Many people, Miria, who travel extensively to mountains like I did, मैंने Spiti Valley, बहुत सारी mountains I've covered. There is strange energy that people feel. Even I have felt it at times. Did you feel anything?
Yes, I think this energy and oneness with nature that comes in. That nature is just, it's so overwhelming to see those mountains, to see those rocks. It feels surreal. It almost feels surreal that you're in India, that you're in Earth, you're on Earth. It actually feels a bit different. So I think spiritually, definitely you connect better. You see stars and you feel a part of the bigger picture of the
Yeah,
universe.
yeah. How
Then
you are-
how then about your job or your parents and being a parent and everything, and it definitely makes a difference.
Before we go to the rapid fire round, Miria, I have one last question for you. If you had to plan this trip again from scratch, what would you completely change about this itinerary?
I would skip Bangkok.
Knew that. So yeah, Pangong is
I would
definitely.
skip Bangkok.
If we are going to Leh Ladakh again, we're definitely not going
I
to
think,
Pangong.
I mean, nothing against the place. It's really, really nice. I mean, kar lena agar if you guys really want to tick mark it on your list.
But
I feel,
Somoriri, and even more than that, I loved Kyagarso.
yeah, Kyagarso
Kyagarso
also.
was
But there are
amazing.
other lakes also that you can, because क्या होता है, एक चीज Instagram पे
Overhype
pick
हो
up हो
जाती
जाती
है.
है, and then the whole world is there,
We
and then
also
there's
went for the
litter,
hype, and I went
and
there
then
for the third time in a hype, but I realized with Miria, yeah, Pangong is overdone. सड़ा रहे हैं लोग उसको, और
हाँ.
बहुत सारी चीजें that you can cover.
And the way also, it's very this, I mean, people are not respecting even driving in a lane. Imagine एक वैली है, आपको एक माउंटेन ड्राइव करना है, आपको उसमें भी आप ओवरटेक कर रहे हैं and all that. It's just dangerous.
Yeah.
I mean, it was just very unsettling.
Let's start with the rapid fire round.
Oof, okay.
Favorite food from the trip?
Ladakhi momos. And who will disagree with me?
Who was more organized?
You answer that, Pranav.
Obviously, Naman.
Ah, me.
One thing we wish we would have packed. I think Naman's sunglasses.
Yes, हमने वहाँ जाके खरीदे because I
We
forgot.
forgot that.
I forgot to pack the
But
basic
it's
thing.
needed because it's very bright sun, very clear skies, and snow also
Yeah,
reflects it.
when it's clear sky, it's very sunny.
One thing people should stop doing in Ladakh,
Litter. Please stop littering. Please stop overtaking. Please stop playing loud
and
loud
please
music.
stop calling them Chinese.
Yes, like that is just
Horrible.
Really, I don't know how people come up with that as well.
Your most beautiful place from the trip? I think we all know.
Pugga.
Yeah, we all know.
Yes,
Miria, did Ladakh humble you? Yes or no?
Yes, yes.
Okay.
Yeah,
Can
very
you
much.
live in Ladakh for 6 months?
Uh,
And which 6 months?
oh, it'll be in the summer only, Pranav. I think winters I will not be able to survive in Ladakh.
If Ladakh had a personality, what would it be?
Bold. I think Ladakh is a
Bold
place
and
which is
wild.
bold and it is resilient.
Which personality would you relate it to? Like, is it Amitabh Bachchan or is it Shah Rukh Khan or is it
Uh,
Devanam?
oh God, which personality?
Is Ladakh? Is it
I think it's
Dharmender?
you, Pranav.
The people don't know about my personality yet, but which celebrity personality is it?
Ranveer Singh right now.
Oh, Ladakh is Ranveer Singh. I hope he's listening
Oh
to this.
yes, yes.
Butter tea. Do you love it or do you hate it or you don't want to comment about it?
No. I mean, I don't hate it, but I'm happy to have it there. I don't think I can have it here.
You didn't even have it there.
Just once.
Yeah, she didn't like it. I love it. One Ladakhi dish everyone should try.
I think the roasted barley.
Oh yes. Would you recommend Ladakh with kids? Yes or no?
Yes, 100%. But just be prepared and no need to panic. Just get these basic things.
Road trip or flight to Ladakh?
I would say flight now, because now I know that I can get acclimatized in 24 hours, 48 hours. So I know what to do. With road trip, it becomes a problem because kids, 10, 12 hours in a car, it's not possible
It's
with
difficult.
kids.
Plus, you also lose time.
Yes.
In the time that you can see Ladakh, you will be just spending time to reach
Yeah.
and come back.
It's just 1 hour flight from Delhi.
Okay, so we're ending it.
And I would just say, if as a mother, you're watching this and you are still contemplating, like how I was before the trip, even a day before the trip when I was packing for our trip, I was still thinking, my God, we're taking oximeter, this and that. Don't panic. You're preparing yourself and just go
adventure.
for it.
It's an adventurous
The-
trip
the
and
spark,
fun trip.
The spark you'll see in your kids' eyes. Trust me, you will not see it in anywhere else, I think.
So I'll summarize it now. We had a 8 days, 7 nights trip. First day was full rest. Second day was just around Leh city and come back to the hotel and then again rest. Third day was we headed to Nubra through Khardungla. So third day we stayed in Nubra. Fourth day from Nubra to Pangong. The road is not that good, but and then we stayed in Pangong. Fifth day we came back to Leh, rested after coming back. Sixth day we were again in Leh. We went on to Thiksey Monastery, then Shanti Stupa, covered a few things we couldn't in the first 2 days. Seventh day was free for us. So if you have an 8-day trip, seventh day we because we were enjoying it so much, we exerted a bit. We went to Pugga and Somoriri and also saw Kyagarso on the way, which is something that you can skip, or if you're adventurous and if you love exerting, then do that because that's worth it. You can skip Pangong. So while you're doing Nubra and Pangong circuit, just do Nubra and come back to Leh, rest in Leh and then do Kyagarso, Somoriri and Pugga.
Yeah.
So that's our 8-day itinerary. We will we will share more details in the caption, and with a screenshot of the itinerary. Thank you so much. Enjoy
July.
July.